Is your HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 wireless refusing to power on? Don't panic. This section covers the most common causes and how to fix them. First, ensure a secure USB-C connection to a working charger. 5 volts input is ideal. Use official cables if possible. A loose connection is often mistaken for a dead headset. If charging doesn't solve it, try a hard reset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds while plugged in. This can resolve software glitches. If the issue persists, outdated firmware may be the culprit. Open the HyperX Ingenuity app on your PC Mac and check for updates. Install any available updates and ensure the headset remains connected during the entire process to avoid interruptions. These 3 steps solve 90% of power-on issues reported, especially since firmware version 2.1.8's power management improvements. If basic troubleshooting didn't work, check for physical damage to the charging port or cable. Bent connectors require professional repair. Consider battery health. Lithium-ion batteries degrade after 300-500 charge cycles. If your headset is older, the battery might be failing. Battery replacement is possible for advanced users only, but it voids the warranty and requires soldering. If the headset is under warranty, contact HyperX support. A small percentage of 2023 production units have capacitor defects causing battery drain. HyperX is offering replacements for affected units, as in case study HX 2024-047. Some issues are unfixable hardware failures. If none of these steps work and your headset is out of warranty, consider replacement. Always use certified cables and avoid full battery discharges to extend the life of your new headset.